Hello guys, today November 21, 2025, and we are here in Carre Lookout Farts and Recreation Department. So let us see. Still good, the weather is still good. 0 degree centigrade today in Winnipeg, Canada. The lake is already frozen, and it's problem with the geese roaming around here in the area. But still, some water is not yet frozen in the middle, but on the side are already frozen. Look at so many geese here in Winnipeg, Canada. Later soon they will be migrated to America, USA. It's just like 2 hours or 1 hour here from Winnipeg. Look at this nature. Beautiful, huh? Beautiful, beautiful natures. There is the recreation center, the park, and wow, a lot of geese here. It's still nice weather here in Canada. Normally, when it's come to October, it's already snow here. Snow is already falling in Winnipeg, but right now it's still good. Almost December, eh? 1 week from now, and it's already December. Look at this, so many, eh? Maybe it's around 1,000 geese. It's a small man-made lake. Normally, this small lake is made by the government to temporary storing of rainwater. It's instead of flowing directly to the river, they make a man-made lake for every community. They make it. Wow, amazing. Let us see how it's frozen. Only in the middle part is still not frozen, but here on the side it's a problem already for the geese. It's already frozen. Let us see. Look at that. Frozen. How they will get their feeds? No more. Look at that. But still dangerous. Wow. Amazing nature.